Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we will learn on how to delete your Google Chrome, Google or Safari history, your Google history. So first what we're going to do is go into Google, either it's Google Chrome or any Google that you're using. So once we reach in here, we can see there are three dots on the upper right corner. It is, if you're using a smartphone, your Android phone, it's going to be on the right upper corner. If you're using any other device, it could be on the left upper corner. You have to click on these three dots. Once you click on that, you will see multiple options. You want to focus on history and delete browsing history. So in this position, we are going to learn it step by step. So what you have to do is click on history. Once you click on history, you can see all of the search things that you have searched, you have browsed in the last hour or last time. If you want to delete any particular things, if a single thing, you just want to click on that single thing, click on the X button. And once you click on that, it will be wiped out. But if you want to do more advanced of this and you want to delete multiple options, so what you're going to do is click on delete browsing data. Once you click on delete browsing data, it will give you multiple options. You can see that you can select the time range from which you want to delete your data. So for example, you can select from last 15 minutes, last hour, or last 24 hours, 7 days, or it could be all time. So in my case, I'm going to click on last 15 minutes. Once I click that, you can see three options I've checked in. So this option called browsing history, it will delete my searched browsing history. The second option is cookies and site data. So this will delete the search engines, the things that you have done inside the website, and the cookies it has saved. You can either select it or deselect it, depends on your choose, but I will suggest you to select it. And the last option is cached image and files. So these are all the images, files you have saved, and the data you have loaded on those websites. You want to click on that too. Once you're done with that, what you have to do is click on delete data. Once you click on delete data, I can show you that these are the major websites you are going to delete in these options. Once you're done and you are selected these websites, just click on delete and boom. Once you have done that, your data has been deleted and your browsing history has been cleared. If you select it for the all time, it can delete all time history, including every search engine, everything you have searched, everything that is available on the website. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial on how to delete your browsing data, delete your history on your Google phone or Google Chrome or any website that you have been using. If you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel. We will see you on the video. Keep visiting Tigez Schooling.